Hey, what's up? It's your boy, the Canologist. We're going to be doing the new training arc called Journey to 70 Cooking. So all you got to do is just spam these. We're just going to be doing wines. It's the easiest thing to make. It's really, really good EXP. It's about like 2k per inventory, I think. Just set it to 14, then just go to all. And then you could even do this, like if you have, you just move the bank like right here. That way you don't lose any ticks. So that's like another trick in the book for you guys. It's like boom, 14, 14. You should use all the features of the game to your advantage. Like for example, just like having all this shit, like it just lowers your tick rate and then it just gets you to another inventory faster. So like if you follow these techniques, like you can get EXP the most efficient way possible without having to worry about losing time and energy and like all that kind of stuff. So like I'm basically gonna be doing this till I hit, like for example, 1,000 wines is like 168k. So around 170k EXP. So there's that. Obviously it's gonna take time. But like there's no better way that I've found. Like unless you're doing like wine of Zamorax, like you're not gonna make that much more, get that much more EXP. You're better off just going wines. It's cost effective, it's really quick, and it's like it does the job. And then we just repeat, because I want to get like I want to get my skills up to do Recipe for Disaster. In order to do the monkey quest for Recipe for Disaster, you need 70 cooking, and then for some other quests you need like agility and all that shit. So like 40 farming. Like you know how it is, like there's always skills to improve here. So I'm always looking to like just make the account better with doing the least amount of work possible. Get the most bang for your buck. Like I pretty much got near 60 agility without training at all, which is unheard of. This is a tick-based game, and I heard there's like other ways to train like melee and stuff. Like there's guys with 10 health that are like, there are guys with like 10 health that have like 99 everything. So there's probably ways. There's probably ways to like, and like if you have, I'll show you in the next inventory. For example, let's just let the tick go. That's 36k right there. And then you can now make all this bullshit. Okay, so for example, let's go bank. Let's move this here and then all. So for example, if you go all and then you hit spacebar, like you get this timer that tells you it resets to 13 seconds and then you can do your next tick. So basically we just got 40k XP like it was nothing in 5 minutes. So it's like 40k per 5 minutes, and then if you times that by like, let's say an hour, like if you're going like really efficiently and you're not wasting any time, it's gonna be like, that was like 36k in what? 5 minutes 30 seconds. So it's around 40k per 5 minutes. So times 6 times 5 is 30 times 12, whatever, you know, you get what I mean. It'll probably be like in the hundreds of k per hour. I want to say it's around like 200k per hour. So for example, 14, that's 8k right there. And whenever I misclick, you kind of lose a tick, so it doesn't look really cool. But that's why you kind of have to focus with this. Like the more I like kind of do other things, or if I check my phone and shit, it's gonna kind of slow down the process of just making the wines. And then just be efficient like that. Like now I could just like chill. And like anytime I have to like check my phone or something, I could just like do that, refresh the inventory, and then check. This is one of the active skills. It's kind of like agility, except you get way more reward for your time spent. This, and I think like another active skill is like fire making, yeah, cooking, mining. Well, mining is now AFKable with that, with those meteorites. You can go to a meteorite and mine that for like up to 15 minutes. So that's like a benefit of AFKable skills. Like you don't have to pay like so much attention, because your attention basically dictates how much EXP you're gonna get. If you get less EXP, it's probably because you're not able to put in the amount of attention that you need into the skill, and then that in turn like kind of hinders you. And then over time you just get used to it. Like 70 in a level is like I think around 350k exp. So it's just gonna be like this on repeat pretty much. Like each level up till from 60 to 70, I think it starts at 30k per level, and then it works its way up to like 50k per level. And then when you get to like 80s and stuff, it's like 100k to like 200k, and then 90s it's like 500k to like a mil exp. It's like an exponential chart for exp. It's kind of to show you that like even in life, it's like getting the early stages of mastery is easy. Like getting up to even up to 80, it's like actually not bad. But like 90 to 100 is that fucking hard point. It's like all that time spent doesn't even amount to a level up. But like once you get to 99, you get the full benefits of being at the peak. You get the highest hit, you get the highest cooking abilities. So like this is a game of mastery basically. It tends towards mastery. Like quests are easier to complete if you've hit mastery. The overall experience of the game is more fun if you've hit mastery. Like if you haven't done the training, you don't have access to the shortcuts that come with it, that come with the higher levels. So there's always something. There's always something to work towards, I guess, in the game. Like they have either a new quest, they'll have like new skills, they'll have like new events, they'll have like, it's kind of like a real life simulation. And then you as the human have to find what you like, what you identify with, and then kind of just put all your energy into that until you get to the top of wherever you're trying to get, basically. For me, I just like playing. Like compared to the other games, like RuneScape is a very unique game. Like there's no game with the amount of depth and like different amounts of skills and like everything. This is the only game that'll actually keep you busy for a long time. And I think that's why a lot of people stay. It's because like every game kind of fizzles out over time, but like with RuneScape, you can kind of just keep playing, and you don't experience that boredom that you would from other games, because there's always something new to do or something to work on, and like it's really hard to get 99. Or it's like 300 if you're like fully grinding. It's like 350 hours. So like even the top RuneScape players in the world, like it took them 30 days to get 99 everything of dedicated playing nonstop with no time wasted. So around 30 days. Yeah, this is pretty much the method. But as you can see, we already got over 50k like EXP in this one video. Like imagine like if we do a whole hour straight, that's like near 60 something. We're like already getting there. Alright, let's do another one. And I'll see you guys in part 2 of the video of getting to 7.